Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today I'm going to be showing you a new type of checkmate whisker called the colored dot report. If you look at the segment that I have right now on this part, I've just got four simple measurements here, and we've got some, you can see we've got some reporting entities for it. Let's go and create one of these colored dot reports. We go to the output ribbon and we go to checkmate whiskers because it is a type of whisker. We've added it to the list down at the bottom here called the circle at nominal. And I'm just going to say OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the hot data for now because I made those reporting entities hot. Now you can see if I close up a little bit on these, you can see it's put a colored dot on the part at the base of the measurement. So if we go to our reporting browser real quick, and I've got these four measurements right at the bottom here, and that's these four measurements that you see on the screen. So if we go over and look in the reporting browser here, we can see the last four points here, and these are the 4 points that we have on the screen. Now you can see 2 of them are red, and that's out of tolerance on the high side. 2 of them are blue, out of tolerance on the low side. And of course, we have these colored dots representing those, and of course they're all color-coded, and the larger the dot, then the larger the deviation. Now, right now, I just have the vector scale on these set to 1 to 1. But you could increase these vectors. Maybe I'll just set it to the vector scale to 10. And of course, you can see they're now bigger. Again, it's exaggerated. It's not 1 to 1. So when would something like this be good? Well, let's go back to our programming browser, and I'm going to unhide segment 3 now. We'll just open that up. And you can see we've got a lot of measurements on here. We've scanned this entire top surface of this part. So let's go and do that now. So let's hide the segment so we can see this colored dot report better. I just wanted to delete the first colored report that we made because the vector scales are different. The vector scales default on my system is set to 1. So now you can see all these dots, a dot where there was every measurement. Obviously, the red and blue dots are going to be larger than the green dots because the size of the dots are based on the amount of the deviation. So the green ones are always going to have a lower deviation, and they'll be the smaller dots. So the big ones will always be the ones that are out of tolerance. So this is the new colored dot report in Checkmate, a new type of Checkmate whisker report. Thanks for watching and have a great day.